What's up, YouTube? This is Answer on Chump Change Production. Today I want to talk about Electroneum. Can it reach $500 by the end of the year? There's a lot of guys on YouTube predict that Electroneum can get over $500 by the end of the year. So I pose the question: do you guys think that Electroneum can reach $500 by the end of the fourth quarter of this year, December? I don't know. Me and my brother got 10,000 tokens. If it reaches uh, $500 per token, we'll have 2.5 million apiece. So total 5 million. Of course, I would like to see that, but when you look at the total supply, the max supply of Electroneum is 21 billion. So when you look at that, 21 billion, and this number keeps growing because there are people mining the circulating supply. So you look at Ripple. Ripple got up to $3.47 a couple weeks ago, and its total supply is higher than Electroneum. So we know that Electroneum can at least get to $3.47. Now the question is, will it do that by the end of the year? It's possible, but I'm just shooting for $1 for this year. Now there's another YouTuber that's claiming that he thinks that Electroneum is going to get to $35 by March. I'm not going to call no names out. I'm just saying. I I would like for Electroneum to get $35 by March. I'd sell like 5,000. Have a total amount. If I cash out the whole 10,000, we'll have $352,000. So I'd cash out maybe 5,000. Let's do the numbers on that. Let's see. I sold 5,000 times 35. Yeah, 175,000. That wouldn't be a bad take. Between me and my brother. Let's see what that is. 87.5 a piece. I can work with that. I can go ahead and sell 5,000 of them at that price point. But this is more about what you guys is thinking. This ain't about my thoughts. What do you guys think Electroneum could do this year? Go ahead and say it in the comment section of the video. Tell me what your thoughts are. Because I've been hearing a lot. And I know you guys have been hearing a lot as well. So let's just talk about it. What do you guys think is an accurate prediction for Electroneum for this year? I think $1, maybe $2. That's what I think. That's what I think. Now, if they keep on closing deals like they are, then it could get even higher than $2. But I don't know. I just don't see it getting to $35 by March. That's just my feelings. Those are my thoughts on it. The reason I think that is because it's only at 12 cents right now. So 12 cents right now. I believe it was at 18 or 20 cents a couple, like 2 weeks ago or a week ago. It dropped down. I think it was around the 8th or the 9th. It dropped down of January when the whole everything went bad, went to the red. Excuse me. So I don't know. $35 is a big leap from 12 cents. It would have to be so much. It would have to be way. They would have to get adopted by more people. More. They would need more investors. I don't know the exact number of investors they would need, but that's a big push. And I just don't see it happening in a month in a month and a couple in what 9 days. I just don't see it. Well, that's all I wanted to ask, YouTube, you guys about was Electroneum because I've been seeing all these videos. And I wanted to just see what you guys' thoughts is on those that hold Electroneum. If you don't hold Electroneum, you can get Electroneum at Cryptopia. They just got on board with a new exchange. I can't remember the name of the exchange though. So we know that the price is going to get higher because they got on the larger exchange, Cryptopia. So I mean, right now it's a good time to buy at 12 cents. It's a real good time to buy. I think it's hit bit. I think it's hit bit that they just got out on the exchange they just got out. I'm not sure if that's the right one, so don't hold me on that one. But I think it's hit bit. Hit bit. BTC. I still don't see 35 happening in March. And I'm not a naysayer. I'm just saying that's just a huge leap from 12 cents to $35 in a month and 9 days. I don't know. I just don't see it. Well, anyway, I'm not going to hold you guys too long today. So that's all I got for you. Hope you guys have a good day. This is Antoine with Chump Change Production. I'm out. Peace.